Why is this taking place? Would you believe that Blackrock is once again throwing its weight around in the market with its billions? An unforeseen event thwarted Shiba Inu's intentions just as it was ready to lose another zero. Tell me the story's most pivotal moment. I guess I still have a lot to figure out. Keep watching as we delve into the parts of Shiba Inu's story that were not recorded. Do yourself a favor and watch this video. Here at Wealthy Coin, we're happy to provide you with Shiba every day. This is the spot to post your Shiba-related queries. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency industry by subscribing to stay up to date on all the latest news projections. Click the like button to get more SHIB news. Despite the present market situation, the Shiba Inu community is abuzz with enthusiasm over multiple announcements made recently by the development team. It was announced that more than 1,000 projects would be sent to Shibarium. They created a revolutionary Layer 2 scaling method with Shiba Inus in mind. Expanding the Shiba Inu ecosystem's potential and making it more scalable were the driving forces behind this change. The implementation of automatic burning is another noteworthy development. This will greatly aid in controlling the quantity of tokens. In addition, everyone saw these changes as promising signs of an effort to improve Shiba Inu tokenomics. We were hoping it would bring in some much-needed fresh air and maybe cause prices to go up, but the market reality has been completely different even with these hopeful improvements. Instead of skyrocketing, Shiba Inu prices have been steadily falling, which has the community confused and angry. Among Shiba Inu people, there is an underlying sense of sadness. Despite their best efforts, the market has not responded positively to these major developments. Here, the market sentiment seems to be at odds with the solid fundamentals that are about to undergo a sea change. After being driven by excitement and anticipation for these changes, the Shiba Inu community is now feeling disillusioned. The market reaction has lagged behind favorable developments, leaving enthusiasts to negotiate the market. This highlights the complexity and volatility that often characterize the world of cryptocurrencies. I experienced a mix of hope amid the highs and lows. Nevertheless, where is this taking place? The price of Shiba Inu should be going up. So why isn't it? Should we not proceed? The anticipated increase in the price of Shiba Inu is being held back by this crucial problem. An important event in the Bitcoin community happened a few weeks back. Bitcoin ETF, the first of its kind, has received regulatory approval. The Bitcoin ETF has received a lot of attention, so this was quite an accomplishment. Expectations and confidence were skyrocketing in the market. Everyone was hoping that this accreditation would set the bar higher for the Bitcoin industry as a whole. But the reality was quite different. In contrast to expectations, the market witnessed a decline in price. Despite initial optimism, the market fell when the Bitcoin ETF was approved, setting off a chain reaction of negative developments. Many interested parties, including investors and supporters, were confused and upset by this change of direction. Anxieties and uncertainties swiftly replaced the elation felt immediately after the Bitcoin ETF's adoption. The unexpected rise to popularity of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, a key participant in the cryptocurrency market, followed the historic acceptance of the Bitcoin ETF. After amassing Bitcoin worth billions of dollars, Grayscale started to profit from strategic moves. Although it seemed to go against the grain of the general consensus on the ETF's acceptability, this choice was essential in shaping the dynamics of the market that followed. The selling pressure from Grayscale sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. The market's unpredictability, rather than Grayscale's expected influx of purchases, exacerbated the market decline. After previously associating itself with Bitcoin accumulation, the organization's sudden change in stance caught many market participants unawares. Due to Grayscale's massive Bitcoin dump, which eclipsed purchases by institutional behemoths like Fidelity and Blackrock, selling pressure mounted. Even though these esteemed organizations were aggressively buying Bitcoin, the market imbalance between buying and selling caused prices to plummet due to Grayscale's massive sell-off. Take a look at the numbers to see how much of an impact this selling pressure is having. There are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. A sell-off in the market was caused by their decision to pocket a substantial profit. The sudden influx of sell orders not only offset the buying activity of other institutional players, but it also sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency market as a whole, driving down the price of Bitcoin. In the market, Grayscale's enormous selling activity was front and center, overshadowed by large purchases by Blackrock and Fidelity. Market panic ensued, dampening excitement that had preceded the Bitcoin ETF's green light. Think about it for a while. Following its acceptance, the Bitcoin ETF encountered significant selling pressure. I will explain this in simple terms. The large financial giant BlackRock bought an astounding 52,000 Bitcoins in just 3 weeks, indicating a bit of a buying binge. Attempting to see it. And that's just with BlackRock. That's an incredible $2.02 billion Bitcoin. Something is happening right now, isn't it? Players like Fidelity and BlackRock adopt strategic positions, hoarding Bitcoin and covertly constructing their own narrative, while Grayscale makes moves, collects profits, and incites a selling frenzy. It's like a high-stakes game of chess. Decisions worth billions of dollars and the fate of the cryptocurrency market are up in the air as key players in the sector waver, shrouding the situation in uncertainty. It would be better if you were aware of this. The current crypto market crash did not target any one demographic. All of the cryptocurrency industry, not just Bitcoin, was shrouded in its shadow. Among the many affected was Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency that only served to inflame community tensions. The collapse caused the price of Shiba Inu to rise from 4 zeros to 5 zeros, an increase of 1 decimal place. In the world of Bitcoin, where every decimal place matters, this seemingly small tweak in numbers meant a big loss for Shiba Inu owners. The decline in the value of their assets obviously dissatisfied the Shiba Inu community. This hypothetical situation illustrates the intricate nature of the Bitcoin industry. When the business behemoth Bitcoin crashes, it affects even the tiniest participants like Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu community felt the emotional toll in addition to the financial one. It was discouraging, like seeing a promising venture hit a wall unexpectedly. Nevertheless, some encouraging news arrived on the final day. Some excellent news has come our way, and it seems like things are starting to turn around. It would appear that the Grace Bitcoin Trust is reducing its sales efforts. After the past 2 weeks of turmoil, the cryptocurrency community may finally breathe a sigh of relief. Positive changes are occurring in the trade environment. More trades have occurred in the highly anticipated Fidelity and BlackRock Bitcoin ETFs in the past few hours than in Grayscale. This change in market dynamics is like a beacon of hope. It shows that the market may be about to bounce again. Notably, the once strong selling pressure on Grayscale seems to be waning. Perhaps a change in market sentiment is at play here since the Bitcoin ETFs offered by Fidelity and BlackRock have the most trading volume. This change could signal the start of a more pleasant age for the cryptocurrency business, when the buying pressure of institutional giants equals the selling pressure, leading to a gradual but steady market rebound. Many Shiba Inu owners are feeling hopeful about the breed's recent market revival. If this encouraging trend keeps up, Shiba Inu have a good shot at getting back to that decimal place. It seems like the much-anticipated return of a team that has experienced defeat, but is now ready to go on an offensive rampage. The community of Shiba Inu is understandably ecstatic. Envision the delight and praise when you find out you can perhaps retrieve that decimal point. All hope is not lost. This isn't a straightforward mathematical adjustment. For the Shiba Inu who made it through the storm unscathed, this is a sign of renewed optimism. Even more thrilling for the Shiba Inu community is the idea of surfing the organic development wave. After the selling pressure induced by Bitcoin subsided, Shiba Inu finally had the freedom to chart its own route. This is a marked change from the hysterical days when Bitcoin